The number one detractor of people's health is stress, and mental stress has a heavy load on people. And the mental stress puts our bodies into a state of fight or flight. It puts our brain into protection mode. So events that happen from our past can actually trigger us to overreact to things that happen today. And when you're in that stressed state, the brain puts you either into retaliation or shutdown mode emotionally, and neither is good. This has health impacts not only on your social health, but on your physical health. The CDC says that 85% of physical disease is coming from emotional triggers that we're reacting to today. In my practice as a chiropractor, we have people who have stress in the spine and the nervous system coming from emotional trauma that is not under control. And so we're going to put together a workshop to not only tell you how you can break free from those triggers that are causing the health problems, but also decisions and strategies that you can take on how you behave and interact with other people, especially if you're working with children or if you're a leader of some sort. The strategies that you can take to work with people to foster them to not have those kinds of triggers when they grow up, and to have a better relationship with them now and as they grow up and as they age. So this is a workshop we're inviting you to. It's a no-charge workshop. You won't want to miss it.